In this video, I'm going to show you how I used these images to achieve this bloody composite, which you are not aware of at this moment, but you will know it at the end of this video. And I want just to tell you, in case you find value in this video, feel very free to subscribe and also turn on the notification so that I can send you free videos every week. And so guys, we have a lot to do in this speed art. Without further ado, let's get started. Guys, I am very willing to explain to you what I did and how exactly I did it, but I don't feel like talking in this very speed art. So guys, let's just get this thing started. And so guys, this is what I was able to come up with. In case you have any comment about this composite, feel very free to comment in the comments down below. And in case you have an idea about this speed art, also let me know. And guys, should I make many other speed arts, or should I go back to making tutorials? Let me see what you feel about this.